So what we're gonna do next is go over what if our prosthetic gets stuck. A lot of times this is kind of common for us newbies who first become amputees. And first thing to definitely not do is get worried, don't panic.
You can't get it off. The lock is basically jammed up.
So that's when you don't panic and you grab liquid soap and you go ahead and cover the underneath surface of your liner with liquid soap.
Yeah. Get it down in there, yeah.
And you want to try to get this as far down in the liner as possible.
Got a pin lock.
And then you take a bottle of water, a spray bottle, and a lot of times this happens in the very beginning with your very first leg if you end up happening to, like I did, with a pin.
You got to be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself. So
No.
just take your time. And then, yeah, we're getting very close there.
Ta-da.
That's how you remove a stuck prosthesis.
But we would like to thank you for watching our informative video. We'd like you to subscribe and click like and share us. And we'd like to welcome you into our amputee community.